What is a family? Family is the basic unit of a society. In fact, family is the mirror of the society. Changes in the family value system lead to changes in the society. In the past, in most societies, family was an economic unit. The adults, with the help of children, cooperated in earning money, whether that involved farming, spinning, or weaving, or making things by hand. Family values like love, cooperation, discipline, commitment, and unselfishness are the foundation on which a society is based. Parents take care of us and provide us with good food and education. We learn many good things from our family members. Life in a joint family. One day, Rohan asked his mother,
Ma, tell me something about your childhood.
Mother said, I lived in a joint family. It consisted of my father, mother, grandfather, Dadaji, grandmother, Dadiji, uncle, Chacha, and aunt, Chachi, and their 2 children, Sumit and Minnie. Our life was very simple. We did not have a television or computer. We used to play a lot of games like Kho-Kho, hide and seek, Steppu, and Langri Tang. Rohan then asked her,
Which family member was closest to you? Whom did you share your problems with?
Mother said, My grandfather was very fond of me. He used to teach many good things through stories. In the evening, he took all the children to the park. We had great fun in the park. Sometimes I could not solve mathematics sums. I then went to grandfather and he helped me in solving the problems. Living in the joint family was an experience in itself. We used to support each other in times of need. Life in a nuclear family. Nowadays, joint family system is breaking up. There are more and more nuclear families. Rohan lives with his father and mother. He lives in a nuclear small family. He cannot imagine the kind of life his mother led. Things have changed very much. Earlier, children used to spend a lot of time with their relatives. Nowadays, children do not get much time. Earlier, children played a lot of outdoor games. Nowadays, children spend a lot of time either watching television or working on computer. Today, many children do not know about outdoor games like kabaddi, gilli danda, and marbles. Star fact: sometimes there is only one parent in the family. When the children live with one parent rather than 2, it is called a single-parent family. Discuss with your friends about the advantages of playing outdoor games.